Healthy children suffering from stuffy nose and phlegm cough. There are many reasons why children suffer from a stuffy nose and phlegm-filled cough. First of all, you will have to give him a clean environment. Sometimes, it happens that unhygienic surroundings cause severe cold and fever, which can get pretty worse in the long run. Keep your house clean and free from dust and other harmful substances. It is also very important to keep the child in clean and tidy clothes. Everything around the child should be germ-free so that it does not catch any other kind of disease. Secondly, ensure that the child eats healthy and clean food which is perfect for its diet. Apart from this, everything that the child comes in contact with should be absolutely germ-free and completely hygienic. It may be also possible that the disease could be genetic and the recovery time could be longer than usual. This is the first home remedy that you should apply. Homeopathic treatment for stuffy nose. Other reason could be that the child does not get along with the weather of the city or town you reside in. In this case, it is very important to visit the child's physician. Homeopathy is considered to be one of the most underrated yet effective medical treatments. Homeopathy is safe and is quite effective in terms of recovery time. In order to start homeopathic treatment for your child, you need to go to a homeopathic doctor in your city. The doctor will diagnose the child and will also be able to provide you with proper homeopathy medicine while keeping the child's medical history in mind. Some of the homeopathic remedies which might help your son would be phosphorus, nux vomica, euphrasia, and baryta carbonica, among many others. As the child was diagnosed with walking pneumonia and was given antibiotics, it is very important to seek a physician's help soon to avoid any kind of further complications. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel for more health tips and videos. Stay tuned.